You've seen Jay Leno's cars. You haven't seen this. These are the trucks his garage is actually built around. And number one isn't even a truck. Because there was a time when machines weren't built to impress, they were built to endure. Metal that carried weight. Engines with a voice of their own. Number 11, 1906 Advanced Steam Traction Engine. At the very edge of that timeline sits a machine that feels almost disconnected from everything we consider modern transportation. The 1906 traction engine built by the Advanced Thresher Company is less a truck and more a mechanical relic from a time when steam still ruled the world. Weighing in at over 13 tons, this towering piece of engineering does not rely on speed or agility. Instead, it embodies raw, deliberate power, the kind that was essential for industries like logging and agriculture at the turn of the century. On paper, its specifications seem almost underwhelming, with horsepower figures that would barely register today. But that number becomes meaningless the moment you understand how the machine actually works. Through massive gearing and a heavy flywheel, it generates an extraordinary amount of torque, allowing it to pull loads that would challenge even modern equipment. It was never designed to be fast, it was designed to be unstoppable. Its history adds another layer of depth. Originally used to haul timber across vast land, it survived an era when most machines like it were dismantled and repurposed for war efforts. Hidden away during both world wars to avoid being scrapped, it endured decades of use, damage, and repair before eventually being restored. When Jay Leno acquired it, he didn't strip away its identity in pursuit of perfection. Instead, he adapted it carefully, converting it to run on propane while maintaining its original character, ensuring that it could continue operating without losing the essence of what it once was. Driving it today is less about transportation and more about experiencing a piece of history in motion. It hisses, it clanks, it breathes like something alive, and despite its slow speed, it carries an intensity that few modern vehicles can replicate. It does not just move forward, it brings the past with it. Number 10, 1941 American LaFrance Fire Truck. If the traction engine represents the early foundations of industrial America, the 1941 fire truck built by American LaFrance reflects a period where engineering began to merge with ambition. Originally commissioned by Warner Brothers, this fire truck did not just serve a practical purpose, it existed within the world of filmmaking, standing ready on studio lots where controlled chaos was part of the job. Over time, it transitioned into public service, eventually finding its way to Burbank, where it spent years in operation before being pushed into obscurity. Like many machines of its kind, it was eventually deemed unnecessary, left idle, and nearly forgotten until Jay Leno stepped in and recognized what others overlooked. What makes this truck extraordinary is not just its history, it is what lies beneath its surface. Powered by a massive V12 engine derived from aircraft technology, it represents a time when engineers were willing to push boundaries without hesitation. The engine's design, with its narrow configuration and overhead camshaft system, gave it characteristics that were far ahead of its time, blurring the line between aviation and automotive engineering. Leno's restoration preserved that brilliance while making the truck usable in a modern context. Subtle upgrades improved drivability without erasing its identity, allowing it to function as more than just a display piece. Today, it lives a completely different life, often used to transport motorcycles instead of responding to emergencies, a transformation that speaks to Leno's unique approach, honoring history while allowing it to evolve. Number 9, 1911 Christy Fire Engine. Some machines feel ahead of their time, and then there are those that feel like they came from an entirely different timeline. The 1911 fire engine designed by J. Walter Christy belongs firmly in the latter category. At a time when most fire engines still relied on horses, Christy introduced a radical idea: front-wheel drive, not as an experiment, but as a practical solution to a real problem. Rather than designing an entirely new vehicle from scratch, his approach involved converting existing horse-drawn equipment into motorized units, significantly reducing costs while increasing efficiency. The result is a machine that looks unconventional even by today's standards, with a towering stance, a centrally positioned driver, and mechanical components that feel almost exaggerated in scale. The engine itself is massive, producing an immense amount of torque that allows the vehicle to move effortlessly despite its size. One of its most unusual features lies in its wheels, where the outer rims rotate independently, creating a visual effect that feels almost surreal, as if the vehicle is moving in a way it shouldn't be able to. After decades of use, the truck eventually fell into disrepair, sitting idle until Jay Leno tracked it down. Restoring it proved to be a challenge, requiring years of work and careful reconstruction, especially after catastrophic engine damage during the process. But the effort paid off. Today, it stands not just as a restored vehicle, but as a reminder of how far innovation can go when someone is willing to challenge convention. Number 8. The Bronco Reimagined. Jumping forward in time brings us to a completely different philosophy, one that blends preservation with reinvention. Jay Leno's classic Ford Bronco may look like a simple vintage off-roader at first glance, but beneath its familiar exterior lies a machine that has been transformed into something far more extreme. Rather than restoring it to factory condition, Leno chose to reimagine it, equipping it with a modern, high-performance engine capable of producing power levels that rival contemporary supercars. This is not just an upgrade, it is a complete reinterpretation of what the vehicle could have been if it were built today. Despite the extensive modifications, the Bronco retains its original character, maintaining the design language that made it iconic in the first place. Inside, modern comforts are integrated seamlessly, creating a balance between nostalgia and usability. The result is a truck that doesn't feel outdated or overly modern. It exists somewhere in between, capturing the best aspects of both eras. Number 7. Chevrolet Corvair Rampside. As we move further into Jay Leno's collection, the story begins to shift from raw industrial machinery to something more experimental, a time when manufacturers were not just building trucks to work, but also trying to rethink what a truck could be. The 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Rampside is one of those rare examples where innovation took center stage, resulting in a vehicle that felt almost too unconventional for its own good. Unlike traditional pickups of its era, the Rampside did not follow the established formula. Instead of placing the engine in the front, Chevrolet mounted an air-cooled flat-six engine in the rear, fundamentally changing the truck's weight distribution and driving dynamics. This alone made it stand out, but what truly defined the Rampside was its signature feature, a full-length side panel that folded down into a ramp. This design allowed users to roll cargo directly into the bed, eliminating the need to lift heavy loads, which made it incredibly practical for specific industries like delivery services and equipment transport. Despite its clever engineering, the Rampside struggled in the market. Buyers were unsure of its unconventional layout, and competitors offering more traditional designs quickly overshadowed it. Production lasted only a few years, and for a long time, it was considered more of a curiosity than a classic. That perception began to change when enthusiasts like Jay Leno recognized its uniqueness. His example was rescued from neglect and brought back to life with a careful restoration that preserved its original character. Rather than over-modifying it, Leno chose to highlight what made it different in the first place. Today, it stands as a reminder of a brief moment in automotive history when creativity briefly overtook convention, resulting in a truck that may not have succeeded commercially, but left a lasting impression on those who understand it. Number 6. 1916. Autocar Cold Truck. If the Rampside represents experimentation, the 1916 cold truck built by the Autocar company represents something far more fundamental, the essence of simplicity. This machine comes from a time when vehicles were not designed with comfort or aesthetics in mind, but purely for function, built to perform a single task as reliably as possible. Everything about this truck reflects that philosophy, The engine, modest in power but incredibly durable, sits beneath the seat, operating with a total loss oiling system that requires constant manual attention. Oil is not recycled or contained, it is simply used and expelled, a design that seems almost unthinkable today, but was entirely normal at the time. Starting the vehicle requires physical effort, relying on a hand crank rather than any form of electric ignition. The construction is equally raw. Wooden wheels fitted with solid rubber tires replace anything resembling modern suspension comfort, and the absence of electronic systems means there is nothing to fail beyond the mechanical components themselves. And yet, that simplicity is precisely what gives it longevity. Machines like this were built to run for hours on end, often under demanding conditions, with minimal downtime. Jay Leno's approach to this truck was not to restore it into something pristine, but to preserve its authenticity. The worn surfaces, the visible signs of age, and the imperfections all remain intact, telling the story of a vehicle that spent its life working rather than being admired. Driving it today offers a completely different experience from modern vehicles. There are no distractions, no assistance systems, just the direct connection between driver and machine. It is, in many ways, the purest form of motoring, unfiltered, mechanical, and honest. Number 5. Harley-Davidson F-150. As the timeline continues forward, trucks begin to evolve beyond their utilitarian roots, gradually becoming symbols of identity and lifestyle. The Harley-Davidson Edition Ford Motor Company F-150 represents this shift perfectly, blending performance, branding, and culture into a single machine that feels as much like a statement as it does a vehicle. This particular truck holds a special place in Jay Leno's collection due to its rarity and origin. It was one of the earliest examples of a collaboration between Ford and Harley-Davidson, a partnership that sought to merge the rugged capability of a pickup truck with the rebellious spirit of a motorcycle brand. The result was something entirely new, a truck designed not just to work, but to represent a lifestyle. Under the hood, the truck features a powerful V8 engine, enhanced with forced induction to deliver performance that exceeds expectations for a vehicle of its type. This wasn't just about hauling capacity, it was about acceleration, sound, and presence. The exterior design reflects this philosophy, with dark finishes, distinctive badging, and subtle details that connect it visually to Harley-Davidson's motorcycles. Inside, the cabin continues that theme, incorporating materials and design elements that elevate it beyond a standard pickup. It's a space that feels curated rather than purely functional, signaling a clear shift in how trucks were being perceived at the turn of the millennium. What makes this truck particularly interesting is how it captures a transitional moment in automotive history. It represents the point where trucks began to move away from being purely work-focused machines and started to embrace performance, luxury, and personal expression. In Jay Leno's garage, it stands as a reminder that even within a category defined by utility, there is always room for reinvention. Number 4. GMC Syclone. Few vehicles challenge expectations as effectively as the 1991 GMC Syclone. At a glance, it appears unassuming, almost ordinary, blending into the landscape of compact pickup trucks from its era. But beneath that understated exterior lies a level of performance that redefined what a truck could be. At the time of its release, the Syclone was one of the fastest production vehicles in the world, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a time that rivaled, and in some cases surpassed, high-end sports cars. This was achieved through a combination of turbocharging and all-wheel drive, a setup that allowed it to deliver power efficiently and consistently. What made the Syclone truly remarkable was not just its speed, but its philosophy. It didn't rely on aggressive styling or visual cues to signal its capabilities. Instead, it embraced the concept of a sleeper vehicle that hides its true potential beneath a modest appearance. This approach created a unique kind of appeal, one that rewarded those who understood it while surprising those who didn't. Jay Leno appreciated this subtlety, using the Syclone as a daily driver for a period of time. In a collection filled with rare and exotic machines, this relatively modest truck stood out not because of its price or prestige, but because of how effectively it challenged assumptions. It proved that performance is not defined by appearance, and that even the most unassuming vehicles can deliver extraordinary experiences. Number 3. International Shell Oil Truck. There is a certain kind of beauty that comes not from speed or innovation, but from familiarity, and the 1946 International Harvester oil truck embodies that feeling perfectly. With its rounded design, vibrant colors, and unmistakable presence, it captures the essence of a time when roadside service stations were an integral part of everyday life. Originally used for fuel delivery, this truck played a role in keeping communities moving, supplying the energy that powered homes, businesses, and vehicles. Its design reflects the aesthetics of the post-war era, a time when even functional machines were given a sense of style and identity. Jay Leno's example has been preserved with great care, maintaining its original character rather than transforming it into something modern. The patina, the details, and even the imperfections have been retained, allowing it to serve as a genuine representation of its time. Today, it is often used in public appearances and events, where it draws attention not through performance, but through nostalgia. It reminds people of a different era, one where interactions were personal, and machines like this were part of the community rather than just tools. Number 2. Mercedes Race Car Transporter. Some vehicles are designed to carry goods, while others are designed to carry history, and the 1950 Mercedes-Benz Race Car Transporter belongs firmly in the latter category. Inspired by the legendary Blue Wonder, this machine represents a unique intersection of utility and performance, built to transport race cars with both speed and style. The original transporter became iconic due to its sleek design and remarkable capabilities, achieving speeds that were unheard of for a vehicle of its type. Although the original no longer exists, recreations like the one in Jay Leno's collection keep its legacy alive, capturing the essence of what made it so special. Leno's version combines historical accuracy with modern reliability, allowing it to function as both a tribute and a usable vehicle. It is often paired with period-correct race cars, creating a visual narrative that connects different elements of automotive history into a single, cohesive story. What makes this transporter particularly compelling is the emotional connection behind it. For many enthusiasts, it represents a dream, an idea that transcends practicality. And for Jay Leno, owning and driving it is not just about having a rare vehicle, it is about bringing a piece of automotive mythology back to life. Number 1. Ferret Armored Scout Vehicle. At the very top of the list sits something entirely unexpected, a vehicle that shifts the narrative from industry and innovation to military history. The Ferret Armored Scout Vehicle, originally developed for reconnaissance purposes, represents a different kind of engineering philosophy, one focused on durability, mobility, and survival. Compact yet imposing, it was designed to navigate challenging environments while providing protection to its occupants. Its mechanical systems, including a unique transmission setup, allow it to operate in ways that feel unconventional even today, adding to its distinct character. Jay Leno's version has been modified for civilian use, with its weaponry removed and safety features added to make it road legal. Despite these changes, it retains its original presence, a reminder of the role vehicles like this played in real-world scenarios. When driven on public roads, it creates an immediate impact, not through speed or luxury, but through sheer presence. It commands attention in a way few vehicles can, serving as a moving piece of history that connects the past to the present. From steam-powered giants to experimental designs, from cultural icons to military machines, Jay Leno's truck collection is far more than a showcase of rare vehicles. It is a reflection of how transportation has evolved over time, shaped by necessity, creativity, and the people who built and used these machines.